Hello all and welcome to this tutorial where I will be demonstrating how you can extract hashtags out of a text source. So I will be using a text input, and based on what data is entered into the text input, we will scan for the hashtags and collect it all in a data table. So let's dive into the example. So I will be needing two components here. One is a text input and the other is the data table. So let's start by taking the text input, and as you can see on my screen I have started a blank application, and the first thing I will do is go ahead and add a text input. I will rename it to description because that's what I want it to be called, and I will remove the default value so that it remains clean. Now I will take a data table, and this is where we will be populating all the hashtags that we collect. Let me rename it to read hashtags so that it's well identified, and let me drag it a little further down. Now since I want the operation to be performed when I finish writing in the text box, I will select the text box and write the formula in the onChange property of the text input. So let me search for onChange, and in the formula I will write collect. Just as a best practice, I want to gather all the data in a collection, hence I use collect, but it depends on how you want to implement. You can directly populate in the data table in the items properties itself. So the name of the collection here is hashtag collection, and the formula I'm using is hashtags. That is the formula to collect the hashtags from a string input, and as the string input I will select the description field and the text of it, meaning the name of the text input dot text. So that completes my formula. Now I will save this once. Now once the save is complete, I will assign the data source as hashtag collection. So the collection is now assigned to the data table, and I will add the result field so that it is a one column result that will populate all the hashtags. So hereby my app is complete. There is a catch of using collect, but I will just talk about it in a bit. Let's first try to run and see what we have got. So now I start typing hello, and once I release the focus from the control, see it doesn't populate anything. Now I enter my first hashtag, hashtag power automate, and I remove again. It has populated the power automate hashtag. Now I try to add another hashtag and I set the focus. See that there is a power automate hashtag duplicate because we used collect. So to correct this, you need to clear the collection every time, because what the function does is it scans the entire text property all over again and it will keep appending to the collection. So I will just use clear collect instead of collect and save this again, and let's try to run the app one more time and see if we get the desired result. Now since it's already there, I'll just write it again, hello, then I press space, power apps, it is populated. Now I enter another hashtag, hashtag power platform, and I set focus out, and you see that there is no redundancy or there is no duplication. So that was it. That's how you can extract hashtags from a text source. I hope this was useful. Kindly do consider subscribing to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.